welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to cut my hair because my hair is long now. We're trying a trend. But I'm not trying at all. I don't want to be ugly. I like to be a pretty girl so I can change my hair. So I can be pretty and sexy. Well, I had this toy when I was showering and I play it. And my mom was annoying. It shaken the water over here and it was gone. And I decided to annoy my mom. I say sorry to my mom. I made another water over here. That was the story. Okay, let's start. I'm scared of that shark. I'm scared of that shark. Maybe it will hurt my hair.
What happened to you?
Just lucky that dog broke it.
So, sobrang ekse. Ganyan hanggang dito yung hair mo? Ano? Trim lang?
Trim lang.
Trim lang, ha? Sinong gusto mo magupit? Si daddy, si mommy?
Si mommy. Yeah! Kasi you're a good mother.
Bakit si daddy? Bakit hindi si daddy? Good father naman si daddy.
Okay, sabay na lang kayo.
Pwede ba yun? Sabay kaming maggupit? Isa lang pwedeng gumupit.
Uy!
Isa lang, diba?
Alam mo. Babae nga ako, hindi ako lalaki.
Sino sabi sa'yo yung lalaki ka? Babae ka?
Babae ako eh.
O kaya nga, sino nagsabi sa'yo lalaki ka? May nagsabi sa'yo lalaki ka?
Hindi.
You want a haircut like a boy?
No. I am not a boy. I'm a girl. I have a girl clothes. You don't know that?
No, I don't know.
Why you don't know?
I don't know. Okay. Don't move. Kasi baka magupit yung ears mo. Sige ka.
Just miss a little bit.
Huwag kang iiyak pag sobrang iksi ito, ha? Sabi mo, ikaw may gusto mag-haircut. Ganyan. Ganyan. Yan.
Wow.
Ganon. Straight. Ganyan. Hanggang dito, ha? Oh, your hair.
Guys! I finally!
Ayos, para magpantay.
Finally, guys! Finally, my baby just come out. My baby long hair just come out.
Just, ayaw, tama, ganyan. Para magpantay, kasi pag hindi yan magpapantay.
Magpapangit yan.
Ito, pag hindi mo.
Dami naman buhok. Is my hair pretty? Thank you, guys. Thanks for loving my hair because I'm sexy now. Do you like it?
My first customer, Dara Iliana.
Yeah, I'm the first customer. I know I'm pretty. Is it pretty? Guys, is it pretty? Do you love it? Well, look at this. It's literally wet first. Well, I love it. It's super sexy.
You want bangs? Lagyan natin ng bangs?
Yeah.
Wag na. Wag na. Para matali natin.
Yeah. This
Baka maano yung ano.
Tama nito.
O sige na lang.
Ano yung mag-dance?
Hindi na lang ako bubangs. Yung classmates ko, meron bangs eh. Si Abigail meron.
Gusto mo mag-bangs? Pwede mo na yung bangs.
O sige.
Ganyan. Ganyan, oh. Ganyan, oh. See? Look. Wow! Oh, ganyan mo muna. Testing mo.
Why I look like Ate Mildred?
Teka lang, may wait lang. Harap ka kay mami. Yan. You look like Ate Mildred. Ibig sabihin, pretty si Ate Mildred. Huh?
Yeah.
Ah, pretty siya.
I don't know where is Ate Mildred right now. Where's the hair? Oh, yeah. Ah, Daddy!
Okay na?
Daddy!
Okay na. Okay na. Look.
Daddy, tingawa ka! Hindi mo nakita.
Papantayin natin dito lang kasi hindi pantay. Huwag kang kasing umano. Umayos ka. Umayos mo lang yan. Para magpantay.
Pantay ba?
Tanong mo sa salamin. Tanong mo sa salamin.
Hoy!
Okay na?
Yeah.
You like it? Do you like it?
Yeah.
What can you say? You're done.
I love it. My hair is clear. Beautiful.
Bye-bye hair.
Bye-bye hair. See you tomorrow. Grow again. I wish my hair grow again and be pretty. And I'm going to cut my hair again when my hair is long. Okay. We'll just left this. I forgot this.